Okay, so now we're going to deal with efficiency. The efficiency of a system is dependent on how well the machine pads are. For instance, if you don't lubricate your machine pads, the system is not going to work properly. The pads are going to burn out. It's like a knee. Think about your knee. Your knee is like a really efficient system. It carries all the weight. But however, if you don't service your knees, in terms of if you're exercising and you don't wear comfortable shoes, or if you do too many things that impact your impact your knee in a bad way, you're gonna lose the use of your knees naturally. In other words, your cartilage is gonna rub down and you might suffer from something called bursitis, right? So you want to keep your machines lubed, just like how you keep your knee well protected, wearing knee bands and stuff like that. So with a system, if it works properly, that means it is serviced on a regular basis, right? And that is how efficiency comes in. If you are asked to calculate efficiency and you don't know how to do it, always remember you can't get a number greater than 100%. You cannot get a number greater than 100%. Virtually impossible, since the law of conservation of energy does not allow for that to happen. So if you do a workout, a calculation, it gives you more than 100%, you know that you're going wrong from the start. So you have to think about that while you're doing your calculations, right? Now efficiency, I would just use E for efficiency, is equal to load over effort. The work done by the load divided by the effort times 100 to give you the 100%, because everything out of percent is out of 100. So suppose we wanted to find, we have a problem here. So efficiency 100%. Let's put that. E percent equal to L over E times 100. Suppose we were given everything else but the work done by the effort. How can we find that? Well, L over E times 100, you put all this over 100, because it's a multiplication anyway. And you move this, put this over 1, you move this up, and you get E percent E equals to L times 100. But you want to get rid of this because you're not looking for this, you have this already. So you would move this below it, because this is 1. So then therefore you would have E is equal to L times 100 over E percent. Right. Now suppose you were looking for the work done by the load. Again, E percent over 1 is equal to L times 100 over E. We want to find L. Now L is already on top, so you don't want to move it because you're going to just create problems. It's already on top, so you're going to have to move E, and what else? You're going to have to move that 100 because you want to keep L by itself. So you're going to end up with E percent E over 100 equals to L. How cool is that? Right? So pretty much you found E percent. You know what E percent is equal to. You know what E is now equal to, which is this. E is equal to L times 100 over E percent. And now you know what L is equal to. L is equal to E percent E over 100. Don't forget what these things equal to, you know. This I have denoted as L. This I have denoted as E. And this I have denoted as E percent. Keep on practicing and you get there.